We're starting the vlog off in the car, obviously, and we are headed to get my nails done for vacation. We are going on vacation tomorrow. We're going to a cabin up north for a couple days for our 3-year anniversary. We just finished getting our nails done and she cooked. She always cooks. Like, look at these nails and the little olives. Like, they're so cute. We're gonna go to the gym because we don't skip. Period. So it is the next day. It is June 12th. And we are going to the cabin in a couple hours. I did go to pick up gas. And I'm at the gym right now just to get in a quick pump before we leave. And while I got gas, I also got a new Alani and cotton candy. Haven't tried this flavor yet. I don't know if this is gonna be good. I usually think cotton candy is like sweet, and my pre-workout, I kind of like it on the sour side. So we're gonna try it. We also got Cosmic Starburst. We'll see how that tastes like. Maybe we'll have that one of the other days. Cheers. It is indeed very sweet, but tastes pretty good.
Airdropping into by a shotgun.
Oh, I know, I saw that.
Okay. Cool down. You don't listen to me very well. Illegal substances allowed on the premise.
We don't have any illegal substances, right?
Rearrange the furniture. Respect the check-in and check-out time. Carefully read important information or guests, especially with book talk.
Yeah. Mr. and Mrs. Kelsey.
I don't think they're except real jobs. Ice cream flip.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can get an ice cream plate.
And you want 12 or 16 ounce?
16.
We might have to go back and buy all the cookies there.
Why?
They're really good.
How much were they?
Probably too much.
I don't care. They just taste phenomenal,
They're like
right? We got matcha too.
Because the milkshake was $9.
And
the final
does
total
not
was like 15, 30 something.
does not taste
Let me
like
finish my
matcha.
sentence, jeez. Then you can talk about your matcha.
Okay, go ahead.
The milkshake was $9. The final total was, I guess that was after tip. I think it was like 14 something. So a cookie's probably like $5, but it's well worth the $5.
A $5 cookie is worth it.
Delicious cookie.
Anyways, this matcha, which is not matcha, tastes aight. Tastes like a milkshake.
Tastes aight.
More than anything. But I am not a matcha expertise, so this guy is drinking 2 different drinks like a woman.
Strawberry milkshake.
And water.
Very much so water. Definitely water.
Johnny's. Have anything to say to the people on YouTube?
Oh, we're going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Wow. Make sure to eat your green vegetables. Always listen to your parents and don't do drugs. Unless they're fun ones and you're being responsible.
Lame.